Big fellas. So have you guys been putting in the work and to find out you haven't been getting where you want to get in life? Have you been going out to try to meet new people and can't seem to make a connection with anybody? Well, then there might be something wrong with the way that you've been presenting yourself. So in this video, I'm going to give you 7 steps on how to better present yourself to people, whether it be casual situation, social, or professional. So let's go. What's up, big fellas? Thank you guys for tuning in to another episode on my channel. And if you like the content, any information, go ahead right now and hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell notification icons, so that you don't miss any new heat I got coming up. And also follow me on Instagram at Dondrick_Ray. Now, let's jump into this content. And hey guys, I am on Patreon.com, and Patreon is a website that helps us as creators continue to forward the cause of our channels. So click the link in the description and donate to the cause of big men's fashion for this channel, because honestly, I can't do it without you guys. And to be real with you, I can't do it without you guys' money either. So if you can find it in your heart just to donate to the cause of big men's fashion on this channel, I would really appreciate it. Now, back to our regularly scheduled program. So there may be something wrong with the way you guys are presenting yourselves. There may be something wrong with your posture. There may be something wrong with your fashion. We're going to figure this out in 7 steps. This video is to help you guys get an edge socially that you guys have never had before. So let's jump right into it. Number 1 is build your confidence. Now, I just started a series on confidence. I'll go ahead and put that link in the description as well as the YouTube card, so you guys can go out and check that video. It's going to be 7-8 video series. There's going to be a lot of information, so really tune in and get engaged, because there's a lot you guys need to know if you guys are starting from scratch. Because confidence is important in any and everything we do, and if you don't have it, you can't fake it. So number 1 is build your confidence. Number 2 deals with the mind. We on the Dondrick Ray channel don't just deal with the outer man, we deal with the inner man as well. So we have to change our mind, because people can spot a fraudulent person a mile away. You have to change your outlook on life. See the world as an opportunity. You can't see it as a detriment to you. Things you haven't done, places you haven't gone, strive towards those things and make those things realistic so that you can legitimately obtain your goals. But it all starts up here. You have to change your mind first, and your body will follow. Number 3 is what we do here best on this channel, especially for the big and tall man, is dress to impress. There's a plethora of videos I got. You can go on my Instagram and see all the pictures I got of different outfits. If you guys need different inspiration for a big man, there's plenty of it on this channel, and I got plenty of it on social media, so there should be no excuse as to why you can't dress well, especially if you're watching this channel. Number 4 is maintain good hygiene. Now, that is a little tougher for us big men, as we know, because we got rolls and flaps, and we got our lip stuff up and stuff be rubbing together and all that other stuff. Hygiene is an extremely important thing in the world. It is a crucial thing socially. You can have all the gifts, all the traits, all the tools in the world, but if you stink, nobody's going to want to be around you.
My friend Keenan got fired for being musty on the job.
And my boy Kurt Robinson at Big Guy Fly has the perfect video on hygiene. He calls it the fat man smell. So I'm going to put his YouTube link in the description, as well as a YouTube card above. Definitely go check him out on the issue of hygiene, because he explains it in a way that I truly can't. I even learned some things from that video. So go check out my boy Kurt Robinson at Big Guy Fly.
I'm Kurt Robinson. This is Big Guy Fly, the fat man smell.
Number 5 is that you have to project proper body language. Now, a lot of us go around, we're slumped over, we're hunched over, because life has beat us up and we don't know what to do, we don't know where to go, and sometimes there's no hope. But you just can't act like in any situation, especially if you want to get out of that current situation. And body language is one of the things that you can control to help you get out of that funk you're in. But like I said, it starts up here first. You have to change your mind. You have to practice, and you have to start thinking about the world in a different way, in a different manner. And once you start thinking differently, then we can move on to your body posture. So when it comes down to your posture, you want to walk with your chin up, you want to put your shoulders back, stick your chest out a little bit, and you want to smile. I know a lot of us don't like to smile because somehow we think it makes us weak or less masculine. Ain't nobody smiling over here, homie. I'm a straight up G. G's don't smile, homie. Well, G's don't travel the world. G's don't get to experience the good things that this world has to offer. G's stay in their neighborhood and they terrorize the people that are in it. G's are a menace to society. I'm not even really that much of a G. I'm just saying, you know, this is stupid. I'm just. Yeah, that's what I thought. Anyway, remember your body language and do not forget to smile, because a good smile can take the edge off of anybody you meet. Number 6 is be polite. Open doors. Say hi, smile, shake people's hands, introduce yourself.
Gregory, how are you?
How are
What's
you?
up, man? How are you, man? Hey, what's up? How you doing?
Don't be so quick to get angry. Don't be so quick to get back at people who may have done you wrong. I promise you, you will get more out of this world being nice to people, even when they're not nice to you, than you would getting back at people. Number 7, last but not least, is show interest in others. When you're in a conversation, engage with that person that you're in a conversation with. Ask questions and actually listen to what they're saying so that you can have the proper response. Care about somebody other than yourself, regardless of what situation you're in. You never know. That person could be going through a worse situation, and you could be sent there to help them. And helping people is so much more satisfying than somebody helping you. Well, thanks again, big fellas, for tuning in to another episode of my channel. Like, share, and subscribe. And remember, just because we big, don't mean we can't stay fly. Peace.